So basically in this video I'm going to show you all and walk you through the step-by-step way in which you can make 50,000 naira weekly with just your smartphone. This is something that people have done, which I'm going to show you proof of. Like for instance, this guy has gotten 75 alert, as you can see on my screen, from Max N. This other person has gotten 97k also from Max N. These people, look at their different balances: 20,000, 83,000, 102,000. And basically all of this was done using a smartphone and an internet connection. I'm going to walk you guys through the step-by-step method you can use to do this. So let's get on with the video. By the way, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because what we do here is we take I try out different money making strategies online, and anyone that works, I bring it over to you guys. So without any further ado, let's begin. So as you can see, this is the presentation, and I'm just going to go over the important things. Basically, you can also pause and read through. Max N is the perfect opportunity for you right now, and you can use just a phone and an internet connection to make money wherever and whenever. So that's basically what Max N is. So few things to note: Max N is not MLM or a Ponzi scheme. No robbing Mr. A to pay Mr. B. It's not like that. It's a straightforward thing. Max N is not a scam. It's not necessarily referral, so it's not bring one person to bring one person. Not like that. You don't need a shop or office. There are no monthly fees, not a ROI, and does not require huge startup capital. Now, just before we go any further into the video, Max N is not a free update. In fact, you actually have to pay the sum of 3,500 naira to begin. The platform was launched on the 20th of this month, February, and as you can see from all the testimonies I showed you earlier, people have made thousands already. First day, some people made even their hundreds of thousands. So basically, Max N is, Max N is the thing. So there's a registration fee attached to it, which is a registration fee of 3,500 naira. Now, Max N Net is an affiliate platform that provides very profitable and stable investment opportunities to its active and potential investors, up to 250% return on investment, and continuous earnings up to 50% commissions upon successful registration of a user. And basically, this is now the earning structure. So to start off, you have to register. There's a registration fee of 3,500, right? After registration, they give you a welcome bonus of 1,800 immediately. After that, if you choose to refer somebody, you get a referral bonus of 2,500. And then if the person you refer somebody else, you get an indirect referral bonus of 200 naira. Now there's daily survey bonus, which is just login every day, and you get 150. And then if you share sponsor tax, you get 350 naira. I guess that's as straightforward as it is. So how do you earn on Max N? As I just explained, you get a sum of 1,800 to your dashboard immediately after registration. Once you will visit the website and log in every single day, you get 150 added to your activity earnings. You get 2,500 per every user you invite, and you get 350 for every shared sponsor tax. This is also basically going through everything I just said out. So why choose Max N Net? Sorry, because you can learn how to print recharge card, learn advanced skills, transfer part of your activity earnings to another user account, fast customer service more to humanity, best and reliable payment method, easy accessibility, and lots more. The recharge card part is like for offline. So Max N Net not only teaches you to make money online, but you can also learn skills to make it big offline as well. You might not be interested in this, and you might just be interested in Max N for the other other functionalities of it, which is not bad as well. So Max N will help you and teach you how to do this and set up a standard shop fully equipped for your offline business. Another feature of Max N is be able to transfer your activity earnings to another user account. This is, you probably won't ever need this, but basically you can transfer your earnings into a different account, and no other platform has been able to do this. But because Max N has their users at heart, they've made it easy to transfer that your activity earnings, activity balance to another user account for swift withdrawal. Now, Max N is a huge opportunity for everyone because there are more skills you can learn as well. For example, copywriting, web design, graphic design, cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, Amazon Kindle publishing, selling and creating of ebooks, which is something I guarantee you probably haven't thought about but makes a good amount of money. Social media influencing, data analysis, 3D animation, video editing, and lots more. Max N is doing all of these things. As of the time when I did this presentation, it was before the 20th and Max N had not been launched. I'm recording this video on the 23rd and Max N has been on for 3 days now. In a few minutes I'll show you my dashboard as well. So basically, registration fee is a one-time payment of 35. After payment you'll be added to my VIP group for VIP treatment and tips on how to make up to 50k weekly, so don't snooze. And that's really all it is. So now I'm going to take you over to my dashboard and then you see how much I've been able to generate for Max N in just 3 days. I've showed you other people's how much other people have generated. I've showed you this, and this you might think, oh, it's just screenshots, but I'll show you my own, even though it's not as much as this. But then I've also been able to generate a few thousand in just 3 days. By the way, if you want to sign up for Max N and register, my number will be in the description. Just text me and we'll take it from there. Text me with the sum of 3,500 naira and you get registered immediately. It's as easy as that. So basically, this is my dashboard, and so far I've been able to generate 7,100 naira, and my affiliate balance, as you can see, is 5,000 naira with just 2 referrals, just 2. And all of this was actually done in just 1 day. That was the first day of the launch. So that's basically how Max N works. And then when it's time to withdraw, you just click over here on this withdraw, but the withdrawal portal is currently not open, so that's why I'll not be able to withdraw right now. But once it's open, click on withdraw and I'll be able to withdraw my earnings immediately. It's as easy and straightforward like that. If you have any further questions or anything really that you want to ask about Max N, let me know in the comments or just text me. My number will also be in the description of this video. And yeah, that's about it for this. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.